Hey there, Sarah here from Chic Talking and Design, and thank you so much for coming to my channel. It is Tip Tuesday, and I am super excited to share this one with you. So let's get to it. I often get asked how to remove paste off of a wood surface so that it can be used again. And my number one tip is to always wax your surface. As you can see here, I have waxed this surface. It was painted with acrylic craft paint. And after that paint dried, I then used my surface wax to put a thin layer of wax all over the surface. And that makes it so much easier to remove the paste. Honestly, that is my top tip so that you can reuse your wood surfaces over and over again. That paste will come right off. I'm just using my spray bottle of water, that's straight water, and my paste scraper, and I am scraping off all of the old paste. Once you get it wet, it will come off with just a little bit of elbow grease, and I am able to get that off with my paste scraper. Most of this paste, I should point out, is actually shimmer paste, which is a little bit harder to remove. So you will see that it will all come off, but it is that layer of surface wax that is the key. It makes it so much easier to remove. A quick wipe here with some paper towel is going to get rid of the majority of that old paste. And then I'm going to go in with my board eraser, and that's going to get rid of all of the ghosting and any paste that is left behind. You will see it is absolute magic. Most people think that they can't reuse their wood surfaces, but honestly, look at that. It just comes right off and you can reuse that surface. Now, I did notice that there's a couple of blemishes on that right there underneath my sponge, but that is not a problem at all. I can put a few touch-ups of paint on that, and that surface is ready to go and be reused again, which for me is key in the longevity of my surfaces so that I can use them over and over again. Little wipe down a few more blemishes that I noticed here, and go back in with your board eraser to get it as nice as you like, and then sand it, paint it, use it again. But don't forget to put a coat of surface wax on there first, and then you can just keep reusing that wood surface over and over again. Curious to see what I transform this door tag into next? Be sure to watch upcoming videos this week, and I will show you exactly how I transform this plain old door tag into a spectacular Christmas project. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that tip on how you can extend the life of your surfaces too. If you enjoyed the content here, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting. Those three things are a big deal for a small business like mine. It's not just purchases that support a business like mine. If you like the content here and you want to see us grow, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks so much, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.